Hello, my name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. Well, before we get started, let me just say to my old subscribers, thank you so much for holding me down and truly being with me for every video. I appreciate you, I truly do. And to my new subscribers, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands. We appreciate you as well. Well, today we are going to talk about bath truffles, okay? So come on, let's get into this video. And of course, we have the soap of the day. Come on. Okay, so the soap of the day that we have here is Paradise. Paradise. Paradise is made with Ylang essential oil. Also made with organic coconut oil. And it's called Paradise. This bar weighs about 5.6 ounces. It's a big bar, as you can see. Look at the top of that. Okay? Ingredients are as follows: distilled water, organic coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, coconut milk, avocado oil, castor oil, organic shea butter, Ylang essential oil, white Carlton clay, glycerin, and vitamin E oil. And that's Paradise. Isn't that beautiful? See that little detail design I made in the middle of the soap? Absolutely beautiful. All right. We have a lot to do today. Let me get me a drink of water. I am thirsty, guys. How's everyone doing today on this Tuesday? Vlogmas Day 8. Vlogmas Day 8. Of course, you know I have my notes here. All right, so let's get into this. Bath truffle. What is a bath truffle? A bath truffle is between a bath melt and a bath bomb. So what a bath truffle is not big. I make them to be around 2 ounces, and we're going to make some. Don't worry about it. And what it is, that it is packed with lots of butters. Do you see that? In here, I have shea butter, cocoa butter, and mango butter. The white one is mango. The yellow is cocoa. And the in-between tan is shea. All right? This is what you need to make bath truffles. At least that's what I put in mine. In here, we have baking soda and citric acid. No, it's citric acid, no. It's from the fruit, the citrus fruits, and it's used as a preservative in foods. Okay, before we go any further, let's do the quote of today. The quote of today is, love the giver more than the gift. Let's say that again. Love the giver more than the gift. Okay? All right, now, what else do I want to show you? We are going to make lemon to my lime. So, lemon to my lime, we're going to put some colorant in it. So when you think of lemons, of course, you think of yellow. So I have some yellow all-locking mica shimmer powder here. And I also have salt, Epsom salt that has been colored with green mica. So we're also going to use that, okay? And then I also have Epsom salt colored in yellow as well. So we will be using these items, okay, to make color and to decorate our bath truffles, lemon to our limes. And let me show you the mold that we are using. And we will be using these molds here. Okay? All right, bring you right back. So the essential oil that we will be using will be lemongrass. Lemongrass essential oil, okay? And that's the mold. So this is like a brownie, mini brownie mold, okay? All right. So we have our mold here, and what we are going to do is I'm going to add a few of the Epsom salts down in the bottom of my mold. Okay, so I'm just putting it on one side, and we're also going to add the yellow Epsom salt color as well. So I'm just adding that over to one side, pushing it over to one side. No matter how, any way you want to do it, it's up to you. This might be the tedious work, you might say. But it'll be all worth it in the long run. Now, I doubled this batch, so what we are going to do is we are going to take half of this batch out and put it into another mixing bowl. Because we are going to make two. We're going to make lemon to my lime, and we're going also to make heavenly lavender, which means heavenly lavender would be with lavender essential oil. All right, so you see how I did that? Now we're gonna come back. We're gonna come back with the yellow and do the other side. So it's like half and half. Now it's okay that they mix in, that's fine. They're gonna look so beautiful when they come out, I guarantee you. Then you can just put the rest in. I'll bring you back. I don't wanna bore you. I'll bring you right back when I'm done filling the rest of this mold. Now on my Etsy shop, read my reviews. There's a loyal customer there. Her profile name is Playing Outside, and she has a beautiful picture of her dog. And she puts a review every time she buys these from me on my Etsy shop. That's Glennceria Loving Hand on Etsy. Take the S off her hand. I'm telling you, she loves them. She has her husband using them. See, this is what I'm talking about, guys. It's not just for women. Anybody can use this stuff, okay? And she also now gives them away as gifts. Like I said, you go over to my Etsy shop and read my reviews on my Bath Truffles and my Artisan soaps and all of my skincare treats. But her name is, like I said, would love to give her a shout out, Playing Outside. Thank you so much for being a loyal customer. I truly appreciate you. So see that? Isn't that beautiful? So I did like a half and half. And what that is just colored with mica Epsom salt, okay? Now, like I said, we are going to take half of this out of here, all right? So it said 32, so half of 32, we all know is 16, okay? So what we're doing here on this video is preparing. That way, when we're ready to make them, it's smooth sailing, okay? With no problem. No problems at all. We'll have to chop this up. There you go. I had it sitting out. I prepared my things overnight last night, so I had it sitting out. So what are y'all doing? Still holiday shopping? Getting some of the sales that's going on? Is it cold enough for you, or are you still comfortable? All depends on where you live, right? All they do is just break it up Take your hands, have a glove on, break it up. Get all those lumps and bumps out. I don't want to shake the cam. I noticed the cam was shaking. I hope y'all didn't get that shake. Here we go. And like I said, I'm going to take half of this out of here. All right. So we only need 16 to come out of this. 16 ounces. All right. Make sure you get all of the big chunks out. Smooth them out. You want a nice smooth bath truffle. Bath truffles can also be used when you want pedicures. Take them to the salon with you when you want to do a pedicure. Try to cut them in half, you know. You don't have to always just put them in your tub and run them under water and get in and soak. And you also have to be careful because they're packed with butters. So you have to make sure that you don't fall or slip in your tub. So be very careful. There's always a caution on my label with these bath truffles, okay? For that very same reason. Use them with caution. It can make your tub slippery. All right, so I'm looking here, making sure that I have 16 ounces here. I'll take a little bit out, put there. But all in all, it's about 16, give and take. Don't you think? I didn't do too bad, right? All right, I think we're ready. I think we're ready to make. What do y'all think? I think we are. All right, so we have our butters, and we're gonna have to separate the butters too, because all this is packed. We have 16 ounces of butter here. All right, so we have our butters, like I said, shea, mango, and cocoa butter. Baking soda, citric acid. Lemongrass essential oil. And then we have our mini brownies tray mold, silicone mold with Epsom salt colored with mica. All right. Thank you so much for joining me today and putting all of our ingredients together. So I see you back here in the next video so we can make these bath truffles. Have a great day. Love you. Mwah. Glennceria Loving Hands. See you in the next video. Bye.